Welcome to Slinger CAD. This is tutorial number 10 on CATIA sketch tools. In this video, we will see what are sketch tools and how to use sketch tools. In Sketcher Workbench, we have a toolbar called sketch tools. These sketch tools are very important when we create some model. For example, if you want your workspace to be gridded, so you can use this grid. So you will have a grid, so it will convert your workspace into grid. Okay, and if you want to snap the each grid, for example, now I can't snap the each grid, I can't snap it. Okay, exactly, I can't snap and pinpoint this grids, but if you want to snap the grids, you can go it you can activate this tool called snap to point. Then now it can snap each grid. Fine. So this is the usage of this grid and snap to grid. If I don't want, I can just deselect it. Okay. Now here you have one option called construction or standard element. So construction or standard element is nothing but you can create the line or a sketch, and if you don't want in your model, you want just as a reference, then what you can do, you can just select that and you can just select this construction element. So it will be here as a reference. It will not reflect in your model. Okay, this will be this will act as a reference line. This is called your construction element. Okay, now beyond that you have three commands. One is geometrical constraint, dimensional constraint, and this is automatic dimensional constraint. So how does this impact? So now I'll create one model. I just create a rectangle here. Okay, and it will be construct. So here you can see default, I can get my lengths, I can get the constraints, vertical constraint, horizontal constraint. When I deselect the dimensional and geometrical constraint, then see. So what happened? There is no constraints. No, my dimensional constraint is not there. I don't have any dimension and I don't have any uh, coincidence or any vertical constraint or horizontal constraint. So that is what it does if you deselect it. And if you just select it, it will automatically get selected. Okay, so when you select it, it will automatically create dimensions and geometrical constraints. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, now here you have in visualization toolbar, here you have the same dimensional constraint and geometrical. What is the major difference between these two? See, when you deselect this diagnostics, what will happen? Can you see your green in color was converted into white? So it will not, it's just a visualization. For visualization purpose you can use this. So for example, everything will be converted into your normal view. Okay, when you select this. Okay, so I will let you know why we what is green in color, what is purple in color in the next videos. Okay, but this is the usage of this diagnostics. If I deselect dimensional constraint, what will happen? This dimension will be erased from the screen. It will not erase, it will just hide. So see, so your dimensionals are hidden. Now if I just deselect the geometrical constraint, then your vertical horizontal constraints will be deselected. So it will not, it will be hidden from the screen, it will hide from the screen. This doesn't mean that there is no dimension or there is no horizontal vertical constraint or geometrical constraint. It's just visualization, it just removed it. Okay, and when you just reselect it, when you just reselect or you just reactivate it, it will again come to the screen. But this one, when you create it, it will automatically create with geometrical and dimensional constraint, and if you deselect it, it will not create with geometrical and dimensional. If you now deselect it, it has no effect on the one which is created previously. Means before deselection you have created this, right? And now if you have deselected it, it will not make effect on this. Okay, the one which you are going to create will be affected. Fine. So now if I again reselect it, then it's not going to make any changes here, but it will make changes when I create afterwards. Okay, so this is the major difference. Fine. So this is the usage of sketch tools and visualization toolbar. Thank you. For more videos, please subscribe our channel SlingerCAD for further updates.